How to fix CapCut template not showing. Open login page in CapCut. Try to log in with TikTok or other sources. Now go to your phone's settings. Click on General. Go to Language and Region. And click on the country where you live. After this, go back and proceed to VPN. From off, turn this to manual and turn it off again. Click Done and this should work for you. If the templates is still not showing, go again to Settings, click on General, proceed to iPhone storage, find TikTok, and click on here to offload data. Reinstall it, go to CapCut, do the same, offload and reinstall it, and after waiting for some days, templates should be showing on your CapCut. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.